CAIC Practice Test 2026 Certified AI Consultant Exam Questions and Answers AI Test Prep Study Guide. Question 1. Which phase of the AI lifecycle involves selecting the appropriate algorithm for a business problem? Data collection, model selection, deployment, maintenance. Model selection is the step where the specific machine learning technique is chosen. Question 2. What is a primary ethical concern when deploying AI in recruitment processes? Speed of processing, algorithmic bias, cost of licensing, data storage format. Bias in training data can lead to discriminatory outcomes in hiring. Question 3. In AI consulting, what does NLP stand for? Natural logic processing, neural language programming, natural language processing, network link protocol. NLP refers to the interaction between computers and human languages. Question 4. Which framework is commonly used for AI governance? COBIT, NIST AI Risk Management Framework, Agile, Scrum. NIST AI RMF provides a structured approach to managing AI risks. Question 5. What is the main goal of explainable AI (XAI)? To make models run faster, to reduce data storage, to make AI decisions transparent and understandable, to automate data cleaning. XAI aims to provide insights into how AI models reach their conclusions. Question 6. Which type of machine learning uses labeled data? Unsupervised learning, supervised learning, reinforcement learning, clustering. Supervised learning maps inputs to known outputs using labeled datasets. Question 7. What is overfitting in a machine learning model? The model performs well on training data but poorly on new data. The model is too simple. The model takes too long to train. The model uses too much memory. Overfitting occurs when a model learns the noise in training data rather than the underlying pattern. Question 8. Which of the following is a key KPI for a chatbot implementation? Number of server racks, intent recognition accuracy, font size of the UI, programming language used. Intent recognition measures how well the bot understands the user. Question 9. What is the purpose of a data lake in an AI project? To store only processed data, to store raw data in its native format, to cool down server rooms, to visualize data trends. Data lakes store vast amounts of raw data for later processing and analysis. Question 10. Which role is primarily responsible for translating business needs into AI technical requirements? Software engineer, AI consultant/analyst, database administrator, security officer. The consultant bridges the gap between business objectives and technical implementation. Question 11. What is transfer learning? Moving data between servers, using a pre-trained model on a new related task, switching from Python to R, training a model from scratch every time. Transfer learning leverages knowledge from one task to improve performance on another. Question 12. A confusion matrix is used to evaluate server performance, budget allocation, classification model performance, user interface design. A confusion matrix shows the counts of true/false positives and negatives. Question 13. In the context of AI, what is backpropagation? A method for data entry, an algorithm for training neural networks, a type of hardware, a data backup strategy. Backpropagation is used to calculate gradients and update weights in neural networks. Question 14. What does RLHF stand for in the context of large language models? Recursive logic and high frequency, reinforcement learning from human feedback, robust language and heuristic functions, randomized linear hierarchical filtering. RLHF is used to align LLMs with human preferences. Question 15. Which of these is a generative AI model? Linear regression, decision tree, generative adversarial network, GAN, K-means clustering. GANs are designed to generate new data samples. Question 16. What is hallucination in large language models? When the model crashes, when the model generates confident but false information, when the model runs out of tokens, when the model translates text correctly. Hallucination refers to the generation of plausible sounding but incorrect text. Question 17. What is the primary benefit of using a cloud AI platform, like Azure AI or AWS SageMaker? It is always free, scalability and managed infrastructure. It doesn't require an internet connection. It eliminates the need for data scientists. Cloud platforms provide scalable compute and tools for managing the AI lifecycle. Question 18. Which of the following is an example of unsupervised learning? Image classification, spam detection, customer segmentation, clustering, predicting house prices. Clustering finds hidden patterns in unlabeled data. Question 19. What is data augmentation? Deleting old data, increasing the diversity of training data using techniques like rotation/flipping, buying data from competitors, encrypting data for security. Augmentation helps improve model robustness by creating variations of existing data. Question 20. What is tokenization in NLP? The process of selling AI software, breaking text into smaller units like words or subwords, securing a database with tokens, generating random numbers. Tokenization is the first step in processing text for NLP models.